んだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
読書
Let's write 漢字
読 This kanji means to read. And this is how to write this kanji. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14。
How to read this 漢字
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. The onyomi is close to the Chinese reading, and the kunyomi is Japanese original reading. Onyomi is doku, toku, to. Kunyomi is yomu. Hiragana in the brackets is called okurigana. Okurigana is always written in hiragana. For example, yomu is written like this. And yomanai, which means don't read, is written like this. As you can see, okurigana works to inflect adjectives and verbs. Okay then, let's see example vocabulary using this kanji. Onyomi example is dokusho. Doku means to read. Sho means document, books, or to write. So this means to read books. This is a noun. Kunyomi example is yomu. Yomu means to read as well, and this is a verb.
Next 漢字 is
Sho. This kanji means document, books, or to write. Then let's write this kanji. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。
How to read this 漢字
Onyomi is 書。Kunyomi is 書く。Onyomi example is 図書館。図書館 means library. Kunyomi example is 書く。書く means to write. This is a verb.
You did great today! またね! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!